Welcome. In front of me I have ALCATEL 1S 2021, and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks. At the first I'll talk about the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that about things that we can use when we go for the normal modes like video or photo mode. So when you go for the settings, at the first you can find the option called video stabilization. Here we got the electric image stabilization, and when you enable it by tapping on the switcher, right now your video will be definitely more stabilized, so it will be the better quality. When you scroll down, you can find the volume button function. You can change it from shutter to zoom or to volume. I recommend you to use this one. And take a look right now how it looks. I'm going to put something like that here. And right now let's take a look how the zoom perform. Let's tap the volume up button. And as you can see, we can smoothly zoom to the 4 times and zoom out to the 1x, to the normal mode. You can also use it as a shutter. Here you can also enable the option called the touch to capture. So right now when you touch screen, for example here, the photo will be taken, as you can see. And there it is. When you scroll down again, we can add grid lines to the photos. So when you enable it and when you go back, the grid lines appears on the screen, as you can see. And right now when you want to put something inside, for example this object, it's definitely much easier to make it with them. Here we can change storage of our photos and videos, but currently I didn't put here SD card, so there is no able to enter here. But when you input SD card here, you will be able to change the storage of your data. We can also save location information, so let's make it. Remember to enable location, then just go back. Let's take photo and let's see how it works when we go for the details. Okay, as you can see, it's not working, so we have to restart our camera application, and then we can try to take a photo. And be sure that location is enabled. Right now let's take it. Let's check details. Oh, I just go for the print. Sorry guys for the misclick. Okay, as you can see right now we got the exact location where the photo was taken. Here we can also enable or disable the shutter sound. Let me just volume up a little bit. So I hope that you can hear that sound, so we can make it. And I think that's all from the settings. When you are in the photo mode, when you tap to catch focus, like that. Oh, let me just turn off this option called touch to capture. So when you turn off this option and then tap on the screen, we can change brightness level by using this sun icon. The same in the video mode, as you can see. We can also activate the flashlight, for example, or use the microphone, or I don't record the microphone. When you tap on the right upper corner, we got filters that we can quickly apply to the photos. And here we got also preview how it's going to look. We got also monochromatic photo. So that's cool because you don't have to use any external application from the Play Store. You can make it straight from your camera application. You can also add the camera timer for 2, 5 or 8 seconds. When you enable this option and then tap on the shutter, the photo will be taken after a few seconds. You can also change aspect ratio of your camera. But the best option is to always go for the 4:3 because it's the highest resolution here. And here we got the video mode. Oh, there's nothing special here. And the portrait mode, we can change the depth. And the pro mode, we can adjust ISO. Here we got shutter speed. There's the EV, white balance, and the focus also. If you don't know how to use that mode, you can check our other video on our YouTube channel. When you go for the more modes, you can find super macro, panorama, slow motion, or light trace. Let's check how the macro mode looks. You can also enable flashlight to get better quality. And as you can see, the photo was taken and the macro mode looks like that. So I think that's all. The last thing that I can show you is the Google Lens. So when you type right here on the left to your shutter, you will be able to open the Google Lens and take a look right now. Right now, if you want to find something around you, for example, take a look on this one. When you don't know what it is, you can aim your Google Lens. When you got this blue dot, it means it is recognized, so we can tap here and you will get the result from the search. So we get also the lookalike themes, and there's the Myszo Jeleń. So we can enter the website, you can make purchase, you can copy text, you can search, you can translate. So yeah, I think that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.